friends, it's Emily and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my hair and stuff. So as you can see, I have like natural bedhead hair right now since I just rolled out of bed a few hours ago and I haven't done any of my hair and makeup yet. So I figured that today I do a hair tutorial for you guys since a lot of you guys have been asking how I do my pixie cuts and stuff like that. So today I'm gonna be showing you a bunch of products that I use, how I style my hair. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to put a mini storytime video before jumping into the tutorial. Here is how I got my pixie cut and why I did it. So of course, I've always wanted a pixie cut for the longest time and I finally had the courage to do it. I just like never got one because I was too scared to do it because I thought I would look bad and stuff. But actually that is not the case. A lot of people can rock pixie cuts if they have the courage to do it. So I urge you all to try it one day because it's awesome and it feels so freeing. But anyway, I went into the salon with a bunch of pictures of inspiration. So I just picked one of them and I showed it to my barber and his name is Mang and he's really good at cutting hair. So if you guys are ever at Avenue U, just check him out please. He's like literally never failed me with a haircut. Anyway, he cut my hair and stuff to look like this. It's actually like a little bit grown out right now, but whatever, I'm still gonna do this tutorial today. After I got this pixie cut, I didn't know that I would have to like use some different products. When I used my regular shampoo, it kind of like matted the hair to my head and I didn't really like it. So last year I actually met a new friend named Crystal after I got my pixie cut and she also has a pixie cut and obviously it looks so good. So I clearly asked her for some tips and tricks on how to style it and she said that she actually doesn't style it since her hair is naturally like that. But she did give me some of the shampoo that she used and it's in this little jar today. The shampoo is called the Christophe Cleansing Voluminous Paste with pure Rassoul clay and rose extracts, and it retails on Sephora for about $53, which is a little bit pricey, but it is really good for what it does. So basically, it's a unique clay to foam shampoo that helps create beautiful volume while absorbing impurities and oil from the scalp. It basically claims that it is good for straight hair, wavy hair, and curly hair. So some key benefits that this product claims to do is creating volume from the roots, creating visible thickness without weighing it down, and also helping to preserve and enhance the natural hair color. I've been using the shampoo lately for a few months now and it is really good. Look how fluffy my hair is now, and this is just from waking up out of bed, so it's really awesome. I urge you all to try this shampoo. By the way, this is day old hair because hair curls best when it's a day old. I know it's kind of gross, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna jump into some hair products and the hair tutorial now. So if you're like me and have straight hair, you'll obviously know the struggle of just like having straight hair every day and it kind of gets a little bit boring. So to spice things up, I usually like to take my hair straightener to curl some pieces of hair just to add some more dimension and make it more interesting to look at. Also, life hack, if you're short like me and you want to add some more like height to yourself, just curl your hair and make it fluffy and it'll literally add a few inches to your hair. It is awesome. Okay guys, so my straightener is heated and ready to go, so let's start curling the hair. If I look down, it's because I have my mirror right here. So for curling my hair, I always like to start at the front and end in the back. So I usually like to take my hair straightener and use this little piece of hair first. I always do this little piece and I don't know why, but anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna put my straightener right at the end of my roots and then start swerving it forward, and this is how the hair will curl. You see that? It kind of like made a little ribbon. I'm so sorry, my hair is so dark, it's hard to see on camera. I usually like to make tight curls because they will loosen once we add hair product in later. So then I like to move on to the next section in the front and curl that as well. I usually work in about like 1 to like 1.5 inch sections of hair. So yeah, as you can see, as you start brushing it out, it does get more soft. Sometimes I like to just finesse the curl by like twirling the hair around my finger just to make sure it curls well. And I'm just gonna do that same thing to the rest of my hair. I know I'm bad at explaining this, but if you guys keep watching, I'm pretty sure you'll get the hang of it too. Also, quick tip, when I curl my hair, I also like to curl forward, not to the side. I find that it gives a better curl and it makes it more fluffy. Alright guys, so that is my full head of hair curled. As you can see, it looks way more fluffy, and yeah, it does make me look a lot taller, but it does look kind of crazy right now. So we're just gonna go in with this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, and this stuff is awesome. It smells like coconuts and it smells amazing. So I just use this spray after I curl my hair, and basically it just helps to add some more volume and also kind of tame the curls. So what I like to do is spray a little bit into my hand, rub it around, and then literally just run it through my hair, and it will tame the curl and also add like a lot of volume to your hair, just like that. I know it looks a little bit crazy now, but as you add more product, it will kind of like tame the hair down. And also, if you're curling your hair, make sure to use second day hair because it does curl best and also add some more volume. Okay, so my hair does look kind of crazy and I look like I'm electrocuted right now. So anyway, I'm gonna be going in with this hairspray by TRESemme, and it is the number 3 non-aerosol hairspray, and it looks like this. Since it's not a spray one, I'm just gonna spray some into my hand and then like smooth it over my hair. And I also feel like when I do that, it's not as hard, like if that makes sense, because when you add hairspray in your hair, it makes it like really stiff and stuff, but when I just comb it through with my hands, it just softens the look a little bit. Since the side of my head is shaved over here, I like to just add some more hairspray to the top of my head right here, just so that it'll stand up and you'll be able to see this side of the shaved head. So if you want your hairspray to hold a little bit better, just like make sure after you spray your hair, just to hold it in place for a few seconds. So after you release, it will stay in place. As you can see, a little bit of my hair kind of like gets a little bit piecey over here. That's because they're like baby hairs and stuff. So I'm just going to take a comb and just run it through on the top just to kind of combine all the hairs together. Okay, so since we combed it, some of the hairs did fall out of place. So I'm just going to add a little bit more hairspray to the front just to tame those baby hairs. And also for those stubborn little hairs that you can't really like put in place, like this one, I just take a little bit, like the tiniest little bit of gel, I just like dot my finger on it literally, and I'll just like put each hair into its own place. Since my hair is being a little bit stubborn today, like right here, I see like little baby hairs sticking up, I'm just gonna take some mini bobby pins and just pin my hair into place. Make sure they're mini so you can't really see them once they're put in your hair. Guys, so that is the completed hair tutorial. That is basically what I do to style my pixie cut. I know it's a bit fluffy. I might have been inspired by Bruno Mars over there, but anyway, that is how I style my hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I had a lot of fun doing it as always. And yeah, if you want to see more hair tutorials like this, I'll definitely try to learn some more styles for you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. But yeah, until next time, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!